Hi everyone, welcome back to another eco-conscious living guide. Today we're diving into natural home deodorizers. Let's start with a bit of inspiration. The Bible says in Proverbs 27:9, "A sweet friendship refreshes the soul." And remember, a clean home is a happy home. So, let's make our homes both fresh and happy, naturally. First up, activated charcoal. This stuff is like magic. Activated charcoal is incredibly porous and absorbs odors like a sponge. Place a few charcoal sachets in your closets, bathrooms, or any musty area. Trust me, you'll be amazed at the difference. Next, our good old friend, baking soda. You've probably seen it sitting in your fridge, but did you know it works wonders in other places too? Sprinkle some baking soda in your trash bins, on carpets before vacuuming, or even in your shoes. It neutralizes odors instantly. Plus, it's super affordable. Now, let's talk about essential oils. These little bottles pack a punch. Not only do they smell divine, but they also have antibacterial properties. Lavender, eucalyptus, and lemon are some of my favorites. You can create your own room spray by mixing a few drops with water in a spray bottle. Or add a few drops to a diffuser to keep your home smelling fresh all day long. Another great tip is to use dried herbs and flowers. Collect some lavender, rosemary, or rose petals and place them in small fabric bags. These sachets are perfect for drawers and closets. Plus, they add a lovely natural scent to your linens and clothes. And don't forget the power of good ventilation. Sometimes the best way to eliminate odors is to simply open your windows and let fresh air circulate. It's free and incredibly effective. So there you have it. Natural, non-toxic ways to keep your home smelling fresh and clean. Remember, it's not just about masking odors, but eliminating them in a healthy and sustainable way. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more eco-friendly living hacks. Until next time, keep it fresh and natural.